everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts, and today I'm here with Abby and we're going to be showing you how to do a really cute half up hairstyle. So I'm starting off by taking a piece of hair from the front here. I'm going to take a small section from the front there. We're going to create a little loop, bring it round the back, push it through those two fingers and then just gently pull through, like so. I'm going to give that to Abby to hold, and then going to take a small section of hair and just add it into our main section, and we're going to repeat again. So small section, underneath, round the top, pull it through, adding another little piece of hair, trying to keep these sections fairly even that I'm doing the loop. So you've got your left section, your right section. So two fingers come up, come round the back here, go between the two fingers, just making sure that there's no fluffy bits, and then just gently pulling through. So the difficulty with this style is just making sure that it doesn't go like all frizzy. So the best way to do that is try and get your loop to come as high up here. If you put your loop down here and then pull it, it kind of frizzes the hair up. So can you see I'm trying to go nice and high there, straightening out any sort of bits here, and then just gently pulling that loop through. And I'm just going to repeat this process. You don't need to go all the way around the back if you don't want to. You can keep it just more towards the sides. And then for now, I'm just going to pop a little clip in here. Abby can let go. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. It's a bit trickier for me on the other side, but we'll make it work. So for some reason, I find this side harder, but bear with me. So we are creating a little loop. We're bringing it up. We're putting it in there, grabbing hold of that, and gently pulling through. Taking another little section, smoothing it out, grabbing a little piece, creating that little loop, and through it comes, boop, 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 and hold please ups. So it's quite a simple technique. I saw somebody on TikTok doing this and they put the little strands in the mouth, so they did it on themselves, which fair play. So we've got our little section, we're creating our little loop, we're coming up, grabbing hold of this, and whoop. So let's keep going now so it mirrors the other side, and then I'll show you what to do at the end. So I'm just going to finish this off by just bringing these two sections together. And then this is optional, but I am just going to wrap this little elastic. So I've wrapped it round a few times, hold it round the back, get another little elastic right underneath there. So another little top tip, I often get people to just hold the back of the hair when I'm doing half ups, because there's nothing more annoying than the hair catching from underneath and going into the new ponytail. That's it, abs. So from the back, it's just a cute little half up, but then if you turn to the sides, especially if you've got highlights or sort of those sun-kissed bits, you've got this gorgeous little sort of almost like a waterfall effect going on at the side, and I just think it looks super pretty. Let me know in the comments what you think.